I didn't expect a magnet to be this powerful. This double-sided magnet is designed for heavy-duty pulling and retrieval, making it useful for magnet fishing, garage projects, or finding metal objects underwater. The strong magnetic force works from both sides, giving you more flexibility during use. Honestly, it's a surprisingly versatile tool. I didn't expect one device to combine so many useful features. This monocular offers a clear, zoomed view, while the built-in laser rangefinder helps measure distance quickly. It's useful for hiking, hunting, golfing, wildlife observation, and other outdoor activities. I didn't expect a flashlight to be this bright. This high-power flashlight is built for camping, hiking, emergencies, and other outdoor adventures. The long-range beam helps illuminate large areas. This tiny camera lets you see places you normally can't. Whether you're checking pipes, car engines, or hard-to-reach spaces, the HD camera gives you a clear view without taking everything apart. I didn't expect a welding machine this small to be so capable. It's compact enough to carry easily while still offering the power needed for a variety of DIY and repair projects. The digital controls make adjustments simple, and the portable design is great for working in different locations. Honestly, it's a practical tool for anyone who enjoys building or fixing things. This might be one of the most useful little gadgets I've seen. Instead of holding a flashlight, the built-in LEDs shine exactly where your fingers point. It's perfect for repairs, camping, fishing,